If you have customers that want to pay by invoice, this is how you set it up. Go to your partner center and click on Administrator. Then in the Administrator dashboard, select Epos configuration. Click on the device you want to use. Go to the Payments tab and make sure the correct box has been checked. Now we'll go back to the partner center to see how we charge the customer by invoice. Okay, so go to the Epos role and have a look at your store. If you're a bit stuck, don't worry, just book a tutorial and I'll run through it with you. I'll just stick a few things in the customer's cart. And here it is, it's that simple. You can change the date, and if the customer has stored their card, they can pay instantly. I've not stored my card here, so it's saying auto pay unavailable. You can print a receipt if you want, but if you've sent notifications in the administrator role for email, the customer will get emailed their invoice. If you've set it for text, the customer will be texted a link to pay. The customer can also log in and view all details on their account. And as a merchant, you can click on the Find tab to select the customer and then see the invoice. Click on it to download it, print a PDF. You can also view past orders from customers paid by invoice by clicking on Users and Accounts, finding the name of the customer and looking at one of their orders to see if they paid on account. Let's have a look. I know there is. There's the invoice. So this is the history of all the orders that customer Annie Penn has paid, how much she's worth as a customer, and you can see all the receipts here. There's so many things you can do in Tillex. Another useful point is to go to the Epos, click on Find and look at Payment Method to see who's not paid by invoice and what's outstanding. And you click on it and all the information's shown there. Hope that helps. Bye.